This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and safety. Lock out and tag out the panel so you can work confidently. Check voltage and phase to match the compressor nameplate. If mismatched, stop. This prevents motor damage. Drain the system and isolate valves to relieve pressure, because you will be manipulating controls and possibly bypassing protections. Then do a visual check of the starter, fuses, contactor, and motor windings. Finding faults now saves time when you apply the first hard start steps. Once prepped, you perform the hard start technique. Momentarily energize the start winding with a jumper or an approved hard start kit, because that gives the motor the extra torque it needs. Make short attempts of 2 to 3 seconds, then pause for 5 to 10 seconds. This prevents overheating and draws attention to current spikes. While doing this, monitor amperage and motor temperature. If locked-rotor amps remain high or temp climbs quickly, stop and reassess, since repeated tries can harm the motor. After a successful spin, make sure you restore all control wiring and test a normal start so the system runs under design protections. You confirm stable run current, proper oil and system pressures, and listen for unusual vibration. This proves the hard start worked without hidden harm. If the compressor hums but will not accelerate, check the start capacitor, relay, or centrifugal switch, and suspect broken rotor bars. If repeated brief attempts fail, stop and call a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.